Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the TOZO S6 Smartwatch. A feature-packed smartwatch with a stunning 1.85-inch ultra-clear AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and over 100 sports modes. Is it the perfect budget smartwatch for you? Stick around to find out. Let's dive right into the unboxing. The TOZO S6 comes in a sleek and minimalistic box. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside, we get the smartwatch itself, wrapped neatly. A magnetic charging cable. A user manual with all the instructions you'll need. And that's pretty much it. Simple and to the point. This watch looks premium with its metallic frame and a smooth silicone strap. It's lightweight and feels comfortable to wear. The highlight here is the 1.85-inch AMOLED display. And I must say, it's super crisp, bright, and vibrant, even under direct sunlight. The high screen-to-body ratio makes it look modern and stylish. You also get a variety of dynamic watch faces, so whether you prefer a professional look or something sporty, there's something for everyone. Alright, let's talk about what makes this smartwatch stand out. The TOZO S6 is packed with features including 1. Bluetooth calling. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. 2. Precise health tracking. It monitors heart rate, sleep, and even blood oxygen levels with impressive accuracy. 3. 100+ sports modes. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing yoga, there's a mode for you. 4-point IP68 waterproof rating. Wear it in the rain, while washing your hands, or even during workouts without worry. 5. Long battery life. A 300 mAh battery that lasts up to 10 days on a single charge. Let me show you some of its cool features in action. You can easily answer calls, check messages, control music, and even access useful tools like a pedometer and weather updates. And hey, if you ever misplace your phone, the Find Your Phone feature comes in handy. For fitness enthusiasts, the TOZO S6 tracks everything from steps and calories to stress levels. It even provides detailed sleep analysis, breaking down deep and light sleep stages to help you improve your sleep quality. Let's take a look at the TOZO Watch app. Once you connect your smartwatch to the app, you can easily control and customize it. The app offers a wide range of watch faces to choose from. Just select one and tap the Sync Dial button to send it to your smartwatch. You'll see the synchronization process in action, and once it's complete, your new watch face will be applied successfully. Beyond customization, the app also allows you to track various health-related activities. Plus, under the Device tab, you'll find many more features to explore so you can check them out one by one. So, is the TOZO S6 worth it? Let's break it down. Pros: gorgeous AMOLED display, accurate health tracking, Bluetooth calling works flawlessly, long battery life, over 100 sports modes. Cons: no third-party app support, slight learning curve for first-time smartwatch users. So, should you buy the TOZO S6? If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch with a vibrant display, reliable health tracking, and great battery life, this is a solid choice. It's packed with features that rival more expensive smartwatches without breaking the bank. If you're interested in picking up the TOZO S6, I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.